This is mathematics class for class 4. Today we discuss chapter number 4, Tick 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 from NCERT. This is lecture number 4. Now first comes motivational quote. Today's quote is, the calmer we are and the less disturb our nerves, the more shall we love and the better will our work be. Swami Vivekananda. Means when we become calm and cool, then our nerves would become steady and our nerves would not disturb. When our nerves become steady, then we focus on our work than usual. Now, what are the topics? First, records different times for different activities. Next, some questions and answers. Then, some homework. Now, first, these are some activities. First, you have to make a guess for boiling a liter milk, filling a bucket, sweeping your classroom. Then you just check that whether your guess is right or wrong. Now I do according to my guess. First, boiling a liter milk. I guess it is 5 minutes. That is, in 5 minutes, a liter milk is boiled. Now, filling a bucket, it takes 2 minutes. Then, sweeping your room, it takes 3 minutes. Here, your room, I tell about my room. Students, it may differ from yours. Second, activity time. That is, you have to do such activity and you have to count how many times you can do such activities within 1 minute. First, snap your finger. That is chutki bajana. It is 40 times. Second, skip a rope. That is skipping. It is 30 times. Now third, jump up and down, that is jumping, it is 35 times. And you have to write some more fun activities in this row. Next, there are some other challenge. What are? You have to write the times. First, the time you can speak non-stop. I can say about mine, I can speak non-stop in 1 minute. Second, stand on one leg. For me, it is 1 minute. C. Sing ah without a break. For my case, it is 1 minute. Now, next, you have to write the times in which you complete these 3 activities. First, run a 50-meter race. For me, it takes 2 minutes. Next, collect 50 pebbles from the ground. I take 3 minutes. Now, see, count 1 to 100. I take it 1 minute. Now, student, come to the next. Just see whether my guess is right or wrong. First, boiling a liter milk, 5 minutes. Filling a bucket, 2 minutes. Sweeping my room, 3 minutes. Then, snap my fingers, which I told that 40 times in 1 minute. Skip a rope, that is skipping, 30 times in 1 minute. Jump up and down, that is jumping, 35 times in 1 minute. And D number, I just write the activity. What is the activity? Blinking your eye. And you have to write the times, that in 1 minute how many times you blink your eyes. Next, another challenge, that is speak non-stop, which I have told you that I take 1 minute. Stand on one leg, for me it is 1 minute. Sing ah without a break, I take 1 minute. Next, I can complete a 50-meter race running in 2 minutes. Then I can collect 50 pebbles from the ground in 3 minutes. I can count 1 to 100 in 1 minute. Next, look at a clock. Then solve this one. What are these? First, the minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Second question, what happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next? Now student, first question. What we know that a clock has 12 division, that is we can write numbers 1 to 12 in a clock. So write the numbers in a clock. First I just divide the clock in this way. Then I write the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next 11 and 12. Now what we know? We know that the shorter hand in a clock represents our hand. Now when minute hand is on 2, we can say that the time is 10 minutes. So minute hand is on 2. Now we guess that our hand is on 4. So time is 4:10. When time is 4:10, then minute hand is on 2. Now if I add 1 hour to 4 hour 10 minutes, then what I get? 5 hour 10 minutes. So after 60 minutes, minute hand will come back to 2 again. I think this is clear to everyone. Because student, if I draw 5:10, what would be the position of minute hand and what would be the position of hour hand? Look student, at 5:10 the position of minute hand is on 2 and the position of hour hand is on 5. So after 60 minutes, minute hand will again come back to 2 again. Now students, let us discuss about hour hand. So does it also move? Yes, we said that earlier our hand is on 4, now our hand is on 5, so our hand moves. How long will it take to move from one number to the next? Obviously 1 hour, because at 4:10 our hand is on 4, so on 5:10 our hand is on 5. Now next, you have to write some activities that take more than 1 hour or about 1 hour to complete. About means nearly, more than 1 hour or less than 1 hour, but this more than and less than should be nearly equal to 1 hour. I just write down some activities. First, cleaning our house. Second, going to the market and returning back to the home. Third, drawing a picture. Fourth, completing homework. Fifth, reading a book. Students, actually drawing a picture needs nearly about 1 hour. That is why when in a CCA period we make the competition about drawing, then we give the time 1 hour, because usually it takes nearly about 1 hour. Now students, come to the next. How long does it take to cook dinner at home? More than an hour or less than an hour? More than an hour. Next, ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. For my case, my father does not cook as fast as my mother, so I write no. Now next question, which games take less than an hour to finish? I just write the names of 2 games. What are these? Table tennis and basketball. And second question, how long does a football match take? Usually a football match takes 90 minutes and also a 15 minutes break. Look at the answer. The games that take less than an hour to finish is table tennis and basketball. And a football match is 90 minutes long and also takes 15 minutes break. Now student, you have to understand the word problems. First, Rahul's cricket class began at 4 pm and went on for 1 hour 10 minutes. At what time did the class end? Now students, first try to solve this question orally. क्या लिखा हुआ है? राहुल का जो क्रिकेट क्लास है इट बिगन एट 4 PM. Then it continued for 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we have to find out the time when the class would come to an end. Now first we write the timing when the class began. It is 4 PM. Now we add 1 hour to 4 PM. So what we get? 5 PM. Then we have to add 10 minutes. So what would be the time? Yes, 5:10 PM. Now students write. The class began at 4 PM. 4 PM plus 1 hour, 5 PM. 5 PM plus 10 minutes, 5:10 PM. So Rahul's class finished at 5:10 PM. Now students, you have to do some few questions. First, Amit starts his study at 7 PM and stops at 9:30 PM every day. How long does he study every day? So you have to find this and tell me the answer. In the live classes, I just gave this as a problem and every one of you gave me the answer. Those who were unable to attend, you just solve it and you have to send it to me. Second, a train leaves New Delhi at 5:15 PM and reaches Agra at 10:45 PM on the same day. Then, how long does it take to reach Agra? First question tells about the study time of Amit. Amit starts his study at 7 PM and he completes his study at 9:30 PM every day. So you have to find out the duration. So what would be the method? Just guess. Now second, train reaches to Agra at 10:45 PM on the same date and it leaves New Delhi at 5:15 PM. So you have to find the time duration it take to reach Agra. Now next question. A football match started at 2:15 and ended at 3:45. Then you have to find how long was the football match played. Next you have to fill the blanks. First, 3 weeks is equal to dash days. 4 years is equal to dash months. 8 days is equal to dash hours. Now students, read these activities and I just make a table. On the left hand side of the table I write takes a minute and takes an hour. And I gave the name of 8 activities. You just have to separate them and write them in the correct column. First, reciting all English alphabets. Second, baking a cake. Baking a cake means making a cake. Third, singing a nursery rhyme. Fourth, playing a game of chess. Fifth, writing a sentence. 6, blowing a balloon. 7, cooking lunch for 5 people. 8, preparing for school test. Now students, these are the columns and rows and you have to write them in correct columns. And look, there are total how many columns? 2 columns. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what are the gaps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just gave you 8 activities. You have to write them in correct column. That is, you have to write in the left hand side of the column the names of the activities which takes about a minute to complete, and to the left hand side you have to write the names of different activities that take about an hour. So students, that all about today's session. Must complete all before attending the next session. Thank you, student.